Good morning. For Traders Exclusive, this is George Tkaczuk. We're RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. What we'd like to do is talk about the equity markets, and the equity markets are kind of stuck right below that 3,000 level if we look at the S&P 500. That's a strong resistance levels, having trouble getting over there. A lot of the growth stocks are having problems. At the same time, the Dow's right below 27,000, NASDAQ's kind of having trouble getting above that 8,200. However, as we talked about over the last few weeks, these last few pullbacks have been extremely constructive, and the markets continue to coil up, and it's quite possible that if we break through here, but it's always that if we break through here, the markets can continue to do well. What's missing is the growth stocks continue to get hammered. They're still basing, consolidating. But we do have other types of stocks that are doing very well, meaning the builders. If you look at home builders, stocks like Pulte Homes, PHM, Navarro, symbol NVR, or Meritage Homes, symbol MTH, MDC Holdings, symbol MDC, continue to do very well. And other stocks related to building like Top Build, symbol BLD, or furnishings companies like RH continue to hit new highs. So something's going on pretty good in the market. As also, if you look at banks, JP Morgan's hitting all-time highs, Bank of America's trying to break out. So you do see a lot of good stocks going, but they're not the growth stocks going on right now. So at this time, since we do tend to invest in growth stocks, and this is not investing recommendations for you, but we continue to consult your financial advisor. But we continue to look at stocks like DocuSign that's holding up well. Out of the top growth stocks, it's still holding up well. Stocks like NVIDIA, symbol NVDH, trying to come up off a bottom base. AMD is starting to act up this morning, starting to act pretty good. So a lot of these chip stocks are also acting well. So the key takeaway here for today is no reason to get too aggressive right now. If you need to be in the market, there are, like I said, the non-growth stocks like home builders or banks can be in there. Or, if you want to wait till that S&P decisively gets above that 3,000 level, we might have a good run towards the end of the year, and then you might want to take a look at a lot of the growth stocks, specifically the software stocks that got hammered. They're still basing, but the few stocks that I did mention that are still acting pretty well, like NVIDIA, AMD, DocuSign, you might want to also keep your eye on those. Again, this is not trade recommendation. Always consult your financial advisor. But as always, let price and volume be your guide. This is George Tkaczuk, RCM Wealth Advisors, reporting to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago. And have a great trading week.